If you think email writing is just writing words on page, you are totally wrong. In this episode, you learn how email marketing actually work through the customer journey and how this skill can help you get hired faster as a copywriter. In this episode, we will cover welcome email, trust building email, and abandoned cart email. Alongside real life example, you can understand exactly how to write them when client hires you. Instead of just learning theory, you will learn how to think and write like a copywriter with working with the real businesses. So let's dive in. So let's start with the first and simplest type of email, which is a welcome email. Welcome email is the first email someone receives after signing up or downloading freebie or making a purchase. And one more thing, most beginners think that welcome email is just about saying thank you, like thanks for your order, thanks for download, thanks for signing up. But why would anyone hire you just for that? That's not copywriting. A real copywriter goes beyond that. That's a difference between someone who just call themselves a copywriter as someone who actually understands how it works. So let's take real example so you can understand how it works in real business. Imagine someone hire you for an e-commerce store or for education brand. So your job is write email that match their audience, customer journey and business. In the next video, you will see one bad and two good example of welcome email. I will walk you through two different scenarios, one for a e-commerce store and one for a personal brand. So you can see first email is the bad example of a welcome email. Thanks for your order. Your order number is 123. And as you can see, this email only share information but has no emotional connection. And without emotion, there is no trust. And other two is good example of welcome email. Example 1, e-commerce welcome email. Hey, thanks for your order. We have got everything. Your item are now being carefully packed by our team. We know you are trusting us with your purchase, so we make sure every order meets our quality standards. You'll receive tracking details very soon. Track your order here, link and talk soon. And the second one is my email, the welcome email you get when you download my PDF. This email is sent to you automatically. Hey, thanks for signing up. Here's your free copywriting roadmap link. Start from page 1 and follow it step by step. This will help you understand exactly what to learn as a beginner and how to build your skills in the right direction. Over the next few days, I'll also send you simple tips to help you improve faster. Talk soon. These emails are not just saying thank you or sharing information. They actually deliver value, build reassurance and guide the user on what to do next. Now here, what you must understand, a welcome email always does 4 things: confirm, deliver, reassure and guide. And from now on, don't just read welcome email, start analyzing them like a copywriter. So now let's move to the second type of email, which is trust building email. You might also hear his name like indoctrination, nurture email, value email, relationship email, but don't get confused. These all emails are same trust building email because the goal is same: build connection and trust. When do we send this email? Right after welcome email, when someone join list, get freebie or buy product. And in this email, you introduce who you are, what you believe, and why they should trust you. And it also depends on who you're writing for. For example, if you write for personal brand, then you should describe who you are, what you believe. But if you write for e-commerce store, you should describe about brand and its story and its value, and also tell them why they should trust you and remember you. So, and also one more thing, this email is not about sales email, it's about connection. So in the next video, I will show you this with 2 examples. So let's check out next video. So example 1 is e-commerce brand trust email. Hey, we didn't start this brand just to sell products. We started it because we were tired of low quality items that don't last. We believe people deserve better, reliable products they can actually trust. That's why we carefully check every item before it reaches your home, because for us it's not just a product, it's your trust. More coming your way soon. And now check the second scenario, education brand trust email. Hey, when I first started learning copywriting, I was completely lost. There was too much information. I didn't know what actually works. I kept jumping from one strategy to another and nothing made sense. Then I realized something important. It's not about learning everything, it's about learning the right things in the right order. That's why I started sharing simple step-by-step content so you don't feel the same confusion I felt. Talk soon. As you can see, these emails are all about building a connection, trust with your audience or customers. They're not selling anything right now, they're just warming people up so they are more likely to buy from them later. And here is basic structure of trust building email: hook, problem, story, shift, believe, and soft close. So now let's move to the third and final email of today's episode, which is abandoned cart email. What is abandoned cart email? It is follow-up email sent when someone add product to their cart but leave without completing the purchase. As a copywriter, you don't write these email for one person again and again. You write it for once. After that, it become automatic email sequence. Whenever someone add product to their cart but doesn't buy, so system automatically send these email after 1 hour or even few hour or even a day. So your job is write one strong email that understand why people hesitate. Maybe it's price, maybe they're confused, maybe they are exploring different option. Help them come back and buy. In the next video, I'll show you how this email sequence works. First, remind them about product. Second, use persuasion to build interest and connection. And third, you create urgency so they don't want to miss out. And finally, if they still don't want to buy, you can recover sale by offering discount and alternative. Email 1 is for reminder: hey, you left something in your cart. Good news, your items are still safe for you. Whenever you are ready, you can complete your order here. And this link is to your cart where you haven't completed your purchase yet. And second email is for persuasion: hey, still thinking about it. Here's why people love this product: high quality, trusted by customers, long lasting design. Complete your order here and the link. And email 3 is for urgency: hey, hurry, your cart may not last long. Some items are running out of stock. Grab your before it's gone. It's gone. And the link. And the email 4 as final email is for offer an alternative: hey, not sure, here's a similar option you might like, explore alternative here. So these emails goals is to lead the audience toward a purchase. We are encouraging them to buy. And in the last email, we even offer lower price or alternative options so we don't lose the customer completely. Before I end this video, I want to clear one thing. Whenever you see the same email written in different way, don't get confused, because the structure is the same underneath, only format and depending on audience, brand, and purpose. So don't get confused and don't overwhelm yourself as a beginner. That's it for today's video. I hope this made everything clear for you, because I didn't just explain emails. I show you how actually you work as an email copywriter inside real business. If you haven't watched episode 1 yet, you can watch here or in description. And if you're a beginner, you don't know where to start and how to practice without clients, and also I share a 6-month copywriter routine, you can download my free PDF link in description. Keep practicing. If you really want to become copywriter, you can't just learn, you have to write. Start today, not tomorrow, because you are closer than you think. See you in the next video. Bye bye.